How to make your TikTok account not private. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can make your Twitter account unprivate or simply switch it to public, in other words. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this happens due to multiple reasons. If your TikTok account is actually underage, your TikTok account is going to remain private by default because TikTok is not going to allow that. So just refresh it, and then if I actually show you, my account is actually private in this case. The reason I'm being able to know this is because I just switched it to private recently. And if you want to switch to public and make sure that it is not private, what you have to do is tap on the three lines from the top right and then just go to settings. And once you go to settings, go to privacy, and once you go to privacy, you can see I have turned on private account. If you're underage and if your TikTok account is actually under 13 or maybe some kind of years, your TikTok account is going to remain private, so just keep that in mind. But if you're already beyond the past age and it's still private, then you can just turn this thing off over here, and it says switch to public account. Just tap on the switch button. Now everyone else will be able to view your videos and everything else that you post on TikTok as long as you've included in the privacy settings. That's all it takes to unprivate your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.